Hi, today I want to talk to you about a matter that is sincere and dear to my heart. I want to talk to you about domestic violence. Domestic violence is a problem that not only affects our home, it affects society as well. Most importantly, it affects children. I can speak on it because I'm a survivor of domestic violence. You see, at the time that I was being abused, I didn't know that I was a victim. Most of the time, the person in the situation don't realize that they're being abused. I can remember as a child my mother being abused, and so we grew up thinking that it was a normal behavior because I would watch her fight. I would watch her fight my father. I would watch her fight my stepfather. I would even try to intervene and help her fight my stepfather. I even, took some blows for her. I can remember having being hit in the eye trying to help her. So I grew up with it. Um, so when I got into relationships, I thought it was normal behavior, and I never thought I was a victim of anything. As a matter of fact, I can remember when my mother it was like a week or two before she died, and she had called me and she said, "Lisa," she said, "I heard that man be hitting you," and I'm like, "What are you talking about? Nobody hits me. What are you talking? Ain't nobody abusing me." And that was a defense mechanism that I used. And the reason I felt like I wasn't being abused is because I fought back. I felt that, I'm not gonna be like my mother or aunts or, this per neighbors. I'm fighting back. So I felt because I was fighting back, I wasn't being abused, but I was being abused, and it affected my children, myself. It affected my sanity. It affected me greatly, and every relationship that I've had, um, I've allowed some type of abuse, whether it be physical, verbal, mental abuse. I have accepted it because I grew up with it. It's like a learned behavior. But I want you to know today that it is not acceptable. Whether you're fighting or they're fighting you, or if someone's calling you names, degrading you, tearing you down constantly, it is not acceptable at all, period. And you can come out of the situation. If you need help, if you need prayer, you can give me a call. My name is Evangelist CJ Horns. I'm an advocate for domestic violence. The name of my ministry is Second Chance International Ministries, and we are here to help you, to talk with you, to give you resources that you need, or just to pray with you, pray for you. There are a lot of women out there who are being abused, and it has to stop. Nobody has the right to hit you. Nobody has the right to call you names constantly because it's tearing you down, and it affects our children greatly. It has such a great effect on our kids. It's a learned behavior. You don't want your daughters growing up thinking that it's okay for a man to hit them or a woman to hit them, whatever type of relationship that you're in. And you're being abused. I don't care if you're being abused by your pastor, your teacher, your husband, your boyfriend, whomever. You do not have to accept it. You don't have to accept it. There's power in I. You have to define who you are. It's power in it. And I'm a survivor. So I can tell you about abuse and what it does. It messes you up. It messes you up. It takes you to a place of darkness. For years, I was in bondage. I had no idea what was going on. It was all because of what happened to me as a child. You grow up in an abusive home, and then your home becomes a fortress of abuse. I accepted it. I went to work with black eyes. I allowed people to bash my head in, to kick me, to stomp me. And I sit today and I'm like, God, I thank you. I thank you for the mindset that I have today. I thank you for bringing me out. And I know it's some other people out there who are stuck, and you do not have to be. Lord Jesus, you do not have to be stuck. You can come out. God will bring you out of that nonsense. I can remember almost going to prison, almost going to jail because the abuser that I lived with, at one point, he and I was having an argument, and he hawked in my face. That spit. He actually brought the phlegm from the pit of his stomach, and he spit in my face, not once but twice. And I ended up grabbing a box cutter, and I just ran into him, and I just started slicing. I just started cutting. I was actually losing it. The enemy was trying to take him out and me out at the same time. He would have been dead and I would have been in prison. My children were there. They saw this man bleeding. This has to stop, and it has affected them. We have to stop domestic violence. It's killing us. It's killing our kids. It's destroying their future, or whatever future they might have. So if you need to talk to me, give me a call. You need prayer, give me a call. You want some resources, give me a call. My number is 678-814-3358. 678-814-3358. My name is Evangelist C.J. Horns, and I'm the founder of Second Chance International Ministries. You deserve a second chance. You don't have to accept it. You have a great and blessed day. Thank you for listening.